going on, everyone? So I'm gonna put some bits and pieces here from the live stream and enjoy this little clip.
£6, 6.6.
Alright, so on that little clip you saw that I wired in the brown, red, blue, and yellow on the injector clips, new injector clips, the 525cc injectors in. Michael S. from Kansas ended up sending me a base map, said get it started on this and we'll fine tune it, and all the way from Kansas, 500 miles away, he was able to data log, have me data log, and then he was able to adjust the settings, which we went over in the live stream, which live stream's up. You guys can go check it out. It was like 3 hours long, so there's a lot to go through, but it was a long process. And I just want to give him a huge shout out and say thanks. I have some clips of his car if you guys want to see it right here. I'll put them in this video. His car's pretty wicked. He also has an all-wheel drive Civic and some other things that he's working on back in Kansas. We still got to go back to Kansas anyway, so when we go back to Kansas to visit family, we'll go ahead and swing by, maybe do a couple races down the track and show you how awesome his cars really are. Mine won't stand a chance, but it is what it is. I'm really happy with the way it runs. The launch control works really good. We still have a few settings here and there to adjust. Not a big deal, something that we can handle. And if any of you guys want to contact him, just message me on Instagram.com/Texas Honda Channel. As for the 525cc injectors, we hooked them up. I just want you guys to make a note of the injector clips. I have it in the live stream, like I said, but it's brown, red, blue, and yellow. Brown being number 1, red being number 2, blue being number cylinder 3, cylinder 4 being yellow. So it goes brown, red, blue, and yellow. Everyone always confuses these when they start doing injector clips, so I just wanted to give you that short little thing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not going to try to make this video too long. I just want to give you some highlights of the live stream and let you know kind of what's going on. So if you haven't already, check out the live stream. And if you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. Stay tuned for more content because we have so much more coming with this Civic. So I'll see you guys in the next video. But until then, God bless and stay safe.